Assalamu alaikum, this is Ali Jafar and you're watching Chrismatic Pakistan. Pakistan's Foreign Office released a dossier which shows the real face of RSS Hindutva ideology that currently rules India. A list of inhuman acts against the people of Kashmir have been shown with proofs in this dossier. Well, this is not a surprising thing. The world already knows that Narendra Modi is a threat to humanity. Now I'm going to brief shortly about the proofs of dossier against Indian Armed Forces. List of 1128 perpetrators involved in war crimes in Indian illegally occupied Jammu Kashmir. 946 cases of 1785 victims of genocidal acts in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. 474 cases of 485 victims of torture in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. 14 cases of 63 victims of sexual violence in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. 110 cases of 177 victims of enforced disappearance in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Names of 1246 pellet gun victims of last 5 years. IOF units involved in war crimes. Audio and video clips have also been given as proofs. In these days, Western media is very much concerned about the women's rights in Afghanistan. Islam introduced the women's rights. Anywhere in the world, women must live their lives with their freedom. There should be no compromise on women's rights. Now I am going to show you the double standards of West on women's rights. Watch this.
One young girl did decide to speak out. She was picked up from school, still wearing her uniform, and accused of aiding militants.
वो था एक इतनी बड़ी सेल थी और उसमें कील लगाते थे उस टाइम। उन्होंने पता नहीं कौन सा बटन दबाया और मेरे बाजू के ऊपर, मेरे टांगों के ऊपर चलाया, तो मुझे इतना दर्द हो रहा था। मेरी आंखें आगे वाली ऊपर जाती थी और मेरी ज़बान पीछे जाती थी। मेरे बाजू बंद थे। एक तो वो 2 बंदे थे, तो एक तो मैं अकेली लड़की थी इतनी छोटी, तो मैं कुछ कर नहीं पाई उस टाइम। ऐसे ही कपड़े फाड़े, मेरे यूनिफॉर्म को फाड़े ऐसे। मेरा शलवार भी और मेरा फ़िराक भी बिल्कुल मुझे ओपन कर दिया उसने। मैं सोच रही थी शायद मेरे इज़्ज़त लूटने लगे ये, तो फिर बाद में मुझे मार डालेंगे। वो तो बाद में वैसा ही हुआ, मेरे कपड़े फाड़ कर और मेरी ज़िंदगी ख़राब कर दी उन्होंने। मैं चिल्लाती थी, कोई नहीं सुनता था। बहुत सारों की ज़िंदगी तबाह हो गई।
No one in Western media is talking about the women rights of these Kashmiri women. Human rights activists and organizations have closed their eyes. UN is sleeping, and I think UN is taking sleeping pills regularly. Dear UN, do you consider people of Kashmir less human? What's their crime? Watch this clip and see how you are equally responsible for the human rights violation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir.
चाय पी रहे थे, अभी नमाज पढ़ के आए, कॉलोनी में आए, न बाहर निकले, कॉलोनी में आए, उठाए केपी वालों ने। किया क्या उन्होंने? 13 साल का है, 12 साल का है, एक 8वीं में पढ़ता है, एक 7वीं में पढ़ता है। बेगुनाह बच्चों को लेते हैं, हम क्या करेंगे? हमारी कश्मीर का क्या हो गया? हम इनको क्या हो गया? आप बताएं हमें, हमारा कसूर क्या है? आर्मी है यहाँ पे, आप आर्मी से पूछे कि ये क्या पथराव कर रही है।
हमारे पड़ोसी है, उधर छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, ये बड़े नहीं है, छोटे बच्चे पढ़ते हैं। शाम को आ जाते हैं, रात को मारते हैं औरतों को। पथराव कौन करेगा?
हमारे चारों तरफ और भी है, वो भी इतना बड़ा विकट है, जुल्म है, जबर है, कश्मीर में छीन चलेंगे, आजादी लड़ चलेंगे।
United Nations must tell the crime of these 2 innocent kids. There are hundreds of stories are like this. But that's not your problem. According to your act, it looks like you do not consider people of Kashmir as human. Narendra Modi, you must remember that Kashmir will be free very soon. You are a very small man in front of determination of these people of Kashmir. If this kind of dossier with proofs came against Pakistan, till now Western media must have declared Pakistan a terrorist state. No one is safe there, human rights violation and all that. But against India, deep pockets are acting like nothing happened. Pakistan wants peace, but it doesn't mean Pakistan is afraid of anyone. Stay blessed. Pakistan Zindabad.